Hello guys, this is Nelson with another simple, very basic Java code, and today I'm going to do a Java code that maybe a lot of you are working on. If you're basically a beginner in Java and you're in college and school or whatever, you might encounter one of those exercises where they ask you to create a code where you input or you have say 5 grades of say different subjects, and you have to average them down, and they will give you a total average. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a code that will calculate the average of say 5 tests or 5 projects or whatever, and it will average them down and give you a final grade. So let's start by creating a class, and let's name this average grade. Click here in the public static void main, and because usually grades are decimals, we gotta declare them as doubles. So let's start by declaring test 1. Let's give that one a value of say in test 1 you had 85.7, and I would do this. But because it's a longer code, let's just do this and put a comma, and then we declare the other variable as the t2, which is stands for the test 2, and we get a value of say, I don't know, if you got 67.5, another comma, and the other test would be t3, and let's give it a value, say 95. We just leave it at that. And the other one would be test 4. We give it a value of say 78.9, and the final test would be T5, and then we give it a value of, let's say, I don't know, 67. No, we did that already. Let's do 64.5. We put a semicolon at the end. And then we have to declare, actually let's do this right here and declare also another double, will be total. Okay, and here at the bottom is where we have the formula. So let's say total equals, so what we have to do in the parameter, we have to put all these variables that we declared. So let's say T1, sorry, let's put an add or plus T2 plus T3 plus, let's just separate this so it doesn't look all cramped up, T4 plus T5. And here we have to put a division signal or sign, which would be like the slash, and because we're dealing with 5 tests, it'll be divided by 5. Okay, so here at the bottom we create the printout, and this right in there in the parameter total. So let's run it. So there you go, the average total is 78.3. So there you have it, very, very simple code. Again, I'm doing a lot of simple codes. As we go on, I'll elaborate on more stuff you can do. Maybe I'll create this code where you have the code actually prompting you to input the values rather than actually having the values already there. But we'll do that later when I show you how to create the consoles, the keywords that you need for to input data. So anyways, a little rundown. So we declare the 5 tests as doubles as well as the total. We created the formula, which is total equals the 5 tests, and it has to be inside a parameter. Now outside the parameter we have a division divided by 5, and then we had the system out print, and inside the parameter we have a total, and we had the result, which is of course 78.3. So guys, I hope you like this short video, and I'll be seeing you guys around with more tutorials. And anyways, keep programming, keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.